Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup painting, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have my penultimate update for the Deck of Panning project, so if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. This is Deck of Panning. It was created by Emily here on YouTube at Emily and Max. And Emily was inspired by a booktuber called Books with Maddie, who I need to look into because I've gotten into books lately. Anyway, this project, it runs from January 20th until December 20th, so next month is the finale. And we are to work on 5 prompts to start with, and we can draw more as needed or necessary. It is a card game that is based on a game board that Emily shuffles every month, so I will not be drawing any cards today because I don't have anything rolling out, and I'm working on 6 products, and for this last month I figure I'm just gonna work on what I'm working on. So let's talk about what I'm working on. The first item is for the Queen of Clubs, and that is In It for the Long Haul, and for that, it's hiding from me. I brought in my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in pure white. I wear it on my lower waterline. My goal was to use it 50 times. I brought this in April, and so far, as of today, I have worn it 47 times. So over the next month, I have 7 more uses to go, and I will have met my goal for the finale. So yay me! I keep thinking I'm getting lipstick on my teeth, so if I do, I'm sorry. Next we have for In It for the Long Haul as well. This was brought in July, and that is my BH Cosmetics palette, the Totally Plastic, or Totally Snatched from the Totally Plastic collection, I don't know. Anyway, I'm working on this bronzer here. Again, my goal is 50 uses or finish, neither of which are going to happen before next month, but that's okay. I am giving it my best shot. Since bringing it in July, I have used it 16 times. I haven't been wearing makeup as frequently, and I don't take this traveling with me because it is a large palette. But I am looking forward to working on this some more and giving it my best shot. The next prompt was for the 2 of Clubs, and at that time it represents another project, so I decided to represent Emily's other project, Project Graveyard, and I brought in a blush from the Balm that I got from Ipsy, and it is this guy right here. It is from their Will Powder collection, and it is the shade Perseverance. And let me remember to swatch for you. So, white eyeliner, I'm sure you know what that looks like. It's white. The bronzer, let's see if I can get a good swatch of that. There is a swatch of it there. Pretty good shade for me. I'm quite pale. And then the blush, my goal is 10 uses, and so far I've used it 8 times, so I have 2 more uses to go. I am wearing it today. I'm wearing it and the bronzer. The blush is getting a little bit old and crumbly, but it still works beautifully. It is peachy with a gold sheen, and there it is there. I don't know if you can see the gold sheen. It's kind of subtle. That is also a bit drastic. There you go. So that has 2 more uses to go for that one. The next prompt I brought in September, and that was for the prompt The 6 of Diamonds. The prompt is Random Letter Generator. I got the letter F, so I went through my palettes, and the first eyeshadow palette I found with a shade with the letter F is from what I'm calling my Pink Star palette. And the shade is this one right here called FUCK. And it is a bright peachy pink, corally pink. There we are there. That's actually not terribly bright, but it is a lovely shade. There we are. And if you watched my update for 50 Shades of Yellow Gold, I was wearing shades from this palette, including this shade, and they all perform fairly well. I mean, really, you know, nice and pigmented. So that is that. I have used it once in that one look. I feel like I used it once more, but I've only marked that one use, so my goal is to use it 10 times. I don't think it's going to happen, but I'm going to try for 5 at least. So we will see. The next prompt was for the 7 of Clubs, and at that time the prompt was not cruelty free. So I brought in my Maybelline City Mini palette, and this is in the Concrete Runway colorway. And I randomly, put my fingers in all of the shades, randomly selected this blue shade right here. I am wearing it today in the outer corner of my look. And my goal is to use it 7 times because it was the 7 of Spades, and so far I have used it twice. And I am wearing all the shades in, well, not all the shades in this palette, but most of the shades in this palette in my eye look today. So, and there is a swatch of the blue shade. Very pretty, kind of blackened, but has a nice sheen to it. Works good with the clear glue. So yeah, that is something I'm working on. So I have 5 more uses to go on that. We'll see. I don't think I can get uses on both eyeshadows over the next month, but I'll give it my best shot. And then finally, the last product I'm working on is for the 10 of Diamonds, and at that time it was SPF. And I brought in my Sun Bum Face Lotion with SPF 50. My goal is to use it 20 times, and as of today I have used it 16, so I have 4 more uses to go. Unfortunately, I haven't been diligent on doing my skincare every single day, otherwise I would have had this goal met. But 4 more uses to go on that. So yeah, now I'm deciding maybe I should bring something in because 2 of those are almost close to being done. But I'm not going to. I'm not going to torture myself. I'm going to try and take it easy for the next month. So yeah, that has been my update for Deck of Panning. I don't know if this project is coming back next year, and if it does, I don't know if I'll participate. I probably will if it comes back because it is a nice project and I enjoy it. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this update, this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button while you're here. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you later. Bye!